Good evening, students. Today we are learning about buy some clothes in the shop. Okay, today's topic is Unit 5 clothing now and then in the shop. Please write on your notebook. So today we will learn buy something from the shop. We will learn some words which are related to the topic. And our lesson objectives is to understand specific information from a talk about shopping for clothes. Now let's have some vocabularies practice. There are some new words. If you are looking this, some cash, a checkout, a debit card, a fitting room, a receipt, and ATM. Let's see the picture. Okay, so what is it? Debit card. Next. What is it? Okay, good. Some cash. What is it? Some cash, a checkout, a debit card, a fitting room, a receipt, an ATM. Which word is it? Let's see. A checkout. Okay, so next. Some cash, a checkout, a debit card, a fitting room, a receipt, an ATM. Which word is it? Fitting room. Most of people change his or her clothes in the fitting room. Next, all of the people knows this thing. Okay, good. Of course, it is an ATM. Next, okay, some cash, checkout, a debit card, fitting room, a receipt, an ATM. Which word is it? Of course, a receipt. Okay, do more practice in next section.
Activity 17B. Listen to the dialogue and answer. How much did the customer pay?
Can I help you?
Yes. Have you got this t-shirt in other colors?
We've got it in white, black, red, and purple. What size do you want?
Medium.
Okay, in medium, we've got black and red.
And in purple?
No, just black and red.
Okay, red. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting rooms are over there. Is it okay?
Yes, I'll take it.
That's £10.95. Would you like to pay by debit card or with cash?
Cash, please. Here's 20.
Okay, thanks. That's £9, 5p change. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Bye.
Activity
Listen to the
17C.
dialogue.
Listen to the dialogue again and answer the questions.
Okay, listen to the dialogue and answer. How much did the customer pay? The customer means is someone who wants to buy new something. Okay. Now listen to the dialogue again, one more, and answer the questions. Please write your answers on your notebook. There are 6 types of questions here. Do more practice in next section. Okay, discuss these questions. How often do you go shopping, or how often do your friends go shopping? Number 2, do you do your shopping at the supermarkets, department stores, markets, shopping centers, or online? Number 3, how do you usually pay when shopping? In cash, by card, or by Apple Pay? Which one are you using now? Okay, do more practice in next section again. Okay, please practice this conversation at your home. Read the dialogue and complete. Customer, the arthritis on please. Shop stand. Okay, let's continue the conversation and practice at your home. Good luck to my students. Okay, thank you for your attention.